Wait, what? Wait, can we not take a video right now? Because I'm...
Alright, it's March 13th, 2021. And got a little bit of a storm forecast for this weekend, so I thought I'd document it. So it's supposed to snow through Sunday night, and it's just getting started now. And I thought I'd take some video. It's supposed to get, I don't know, a foot of snow. We'll see. More up in Denver. Are you coming out or not? No. Too cozy inside, so we'll take a look. Before and after photos. I'm gonna fire up the smoker. I got some pork defrosting tonight. We'll start that up in the morning. I'm not gonna go anywhere tomorrow. I'm gonna bring Amanda to work, but we'll see. Let's go and take a look at the front yard. Now we'll go to the front of the house here. There's the old truck. It's about 11 o'clock Saturday. Coming down pretty good. So we'll just do before and after videos. First major storm of the winter season. March and April will get our most snow, so. Good morning. It's Sunday the 13th. And we didn't do too bad for the snow last night. 6 inches or so, maybe. And I got up this morning about 5 to get the smoker going. I'm gonna do a pork butt today and just shovel snow and hang out. So, got the coals going. Pork butt in there, and I'll put some ribs in later, and probably bring Amanda to school. So that's the plan. It's about 8 in the morning now. Sun's coming up. It's daylight savings time as well. Odie thinks we're going for a walk. Not today. Well, maybe later today, once I get the pork done. We didn't have too much snow. A dusting, as they would say in Michigan. I'm gonna go down the steps here. Right at 240 where I want it. Got the hickory going. Struggled a little bit with the temperatures this morning. Coals didn't want to light. Over here to the coop. Probably can't see in there. The window's kind of dirty. The chickens are waiting to get out. We'll go and see. I got to get them some water, some food. But they'll want out. They usually go underneath the coop in the snow. Water's not even frozen. Nice and toasty in the coop. Oops. We're back inside. It's also Pancake Sunday. Got some bacon going. Odie's sulking. Amanda is on the griddle. We got some blueberries, fresh blueberries. She put her hoodie on so you can't see her helmet head. The dogs will be underfoot, guaranteed for the rest of the day. So anyhow, that's what we're doing in the morning. Amanda's gonna make special coffee later. Make some cappuccino or anything, something, because she's a certified barista.
Every time you start it, it look like absolute crap.
It's noon now, and the pork's been smoking for about 6 hours. I'm gonna finish it in the oven because after a while meat stops taking in the smoke and you're just cooking it, and we can do that inside. There's no reason to be out here tending a fire when we can do it, finish it in the oven. It's not gonna absorb any more smoke flavor at this point, so